On our current trajectory of emissions, we're headed for a temperature increase by the end of this century or thereabouts, well above 3 degrees. So many parts of the world, through droughts, floods, sea level rise, storm surges, hurricanes, and so on, would not be livable. Those kinds of temperature increases within 100 years or so would be absolutely devastating. Those are the stakes that we're playing for. We have two crises now, the COVID crisis and the climate crisis. The climate crisis is deeper and more severe on longer lasting and much bigger scale. But the COVID crisis itself is deeply, deeply damaging to the world economy. But the way out of it is to pursue the investments that we need for sustainable growth. Time really matters here. So we have to look at the economics of rapid change. That is not something that we normally do. We have to look at economics where the kinds of markets which are going to influence change have many imperfections. Classic imperfections, of course, of the greenhouse gas itself. We don't have markets for carbon prices out 20 or 30 years into the future. We have absent markets. We cannot contract in markets for the new technologies that we're going to need down the track because we don't know what they are. We also have to think of extreme risk, and we have to think about income distribution in a very complex way as we try to work out the risks of climate change and how they impact on different people. So in all these ways, we need a new economics. We can see many elements of it, but we've got to move fast in developing it because we've got to move fast on policy.